Hey there, Porsche fans. Rich Mazzio from Rich D Photography. I'm here today at Porsche Greenwich where I work. I'm the pre-owned manager, and today I'm here to show you a 2016 Boxster Spyder. Roll intro.
Rich, you don't have an intro yet.
Oh, right. So what do I do?
Show them the car.
Let's do it. What can I tell you about this car? Well, it's the highest horsepower Boxster ever produced to date. It has 375 horsepower. It does 0 to 60 in 4.3, which is still quicker than the most recent Boxster GTS. That does it, I think, in 4.4. So, quite honestly, this Boxster Spyder is still the most powerful, most raw, mid-engine roadster you can buy. Listen to the way it sounds. What a feel. And I love the 6-speed gate. It's perfect, feels really nice, has a nice short throw, the throttle is very progressive, has a real motorsport feel to it. Now it is a cloudy day, so one does have to worry about putting the top up. The previous Boxster Spyder, which was out in 2011 and 2012, had a very complicated and very lengthy process to putting up the convertible top. In fact, even when the top was up, it really wasn't truly sealed. You could literally just stick your finger right out of the top of the window and stick it outside. This one's a little better. I'll demonstrate how to put the top up and down and how quickly you can do it. I think at one point we had a little debate on how fast we could all put the top up and down on the old one. I think I was the quickest at 1:30. This one you can do in about, I don't know, 30 seconds or so, or maybe even less. And listen to that sound. This one has the Porsche Sport exhaust. Love that gurgles. The new one has a nice gurgle to it as well, but there's something to be said about the naturally aspirated sound that comes out of the back end of this car. Rev matching is very easy in this car. Something that's a little harder when you have a turbocharged engine. Sometimes the throttle, the revs don't build as progressively as one would like. This one's magic. And on the road, it's actually quite compliant. We're going over some of the more bumpier roads here in Greenwich, if there is such a thing. And it's quite nice. Not too harsh, but still very nimble. Really hugs the road. You get a good feel. You know exactly what's going on in each corner. Now this one in particular is very well optioned as well. It has full leather interior, so it has the Alcantara, the leather with the deviated stitching in red. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, so it feels nice in your hands. Same thing with the shift knob. That's done in Alcantara. It has the traditional fire extinguisher, which you normally see in the GT3s and the GT3 RSs. Sport Chrono standard, so you have a nice clock right here. This one has navigation, Bluetooth interface, iPod interface, all the normal things you would need and want in a modern road car. I don't want to stop driving this car. Some other nice features about this car in particular, it has the full racing bucket seats, which are quite comfortable. The previous buckets that one would get in a car like this You just slide the seat forward and backwards and that's it. At least now there's a little button on the side down here. You can raise the seat higher, you can go lower, and you can still slide it forward and backwards. So you have an extra adjustment for height. So if you're tall, you go lower. If you're short, you go higher. You get it. I'm on my way back to the dealership, and to be honest, I don't want this drive to end. That was only 4,500 RPMs, by the way. Tell you what, you get a lot of looks in this car. A lot of waves, a lot of thumbs up. The handling is just phenomenal. Whoa! Now obviously we're on the regular roads here, so there's only so much you can do. We do like to respect roadways, respect the speed limits, and also our neighbors here in Greenwich. Little plug there if you couldn't tell. Well, that's going to do it for this video, everybody. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. This is Rich Mazzio from Porsche Greenwich and Rich D Photography, once again showing you the 2016 Boxster Spyder. I will link the vehicle down in the description so you can see it on our website. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any other suggestions on any other cars you'd like to see us feature. It's been a blast. Thanks for watching, everybody. See ya.